And here we have an end-up video of 1134 Camellia Lane. The outside of the home is brick and a little bit of wood as we get inside and under these eaves. You have a very good size and very functional front porch. And a window overlooking the sink, so if you're in there in the kitchen cooking away, you can see who's knocking on your door. It's kind of nice. Coming into the home, in our entryway, we have tile. Real nice door, some interesting little things they got going on there. One thing to note, we have the original baseboards in the entry room. They don't have the house half rounds, quarter rounds, but we do have one cracked tile, but that's not bad. That transitions into the laminate or into the linoleum. And we can see, whereas they lowered it, they went in there and filled that gap with that little quarter round. You can kind of see that a little bit better. They did a decent job installing those. Our outlets appear to be about 12 inches off the ground. And in the hallway, we have a good size coat closet. Coming into the backmost bedroom, we have one outlet on the left wall, two on either side of the window on the far wall, one on the right, and then one right to the right of our entrance, with our light switch to the light here and the light switch for the closet, which is a very, very good size closet. And you can see these have the original baseboards, same thing as the rest of the home, but as they still have the carpet, they don't have to go in there with the half rounds or quarter rounds or anything like that. You can see where they have it throughout the hallway. And the baseboards appear to be in pretty good condition. The linoleum continues into into the secondary bath. I know that guy. Some nice light fixtures. And of course, our bathtub, which appears to be one solid insert. And nice and clean. Let's see. All the windows are double pane. And above the commode, have a really nice space for some additional storage. And it's a dual flush. Save a little bit on your water bill. Not too bad. Light switches next to the commode, light switches for the bathroom and such. And because it is really common, let's go ahead and we'll take a long look at the popcorn ceiling in the bathroom. Because usually you'll get some damage here from the humidity. And it's notoriously hard to patch because you'll never get the pattern the same again. It actually looks really nice. Might be a few small things around here from when they might have changed this out at one point. But not too bad. They did a good job. Windows are looking good. No signs of any cracking or damage I could find. Looks like we have a small area right there where a nail might be starting to pop. Again, fairly common, especially given the age of the home. Good sized closet as well. Let's take a look at the light, the electrical outlets in here just real quick. Two on the far wall, one at the far end on this one between our door, and one on this far wall as well. Gives us an idea. Here we have really nice tall ceilings. Should have been wood at one point. It looks like they just covered the entire thing with popcorn ceiling. We might have redone it at one point. Hard to say. Nice ceiling fan. They painted the fireplace. They did a good job with that. The fireplace is wood burning. Another nice little plus. We have those same baseboards throughout the entire living area. Breakfast bar. And of course, our breakfast nook. The interior kitchen, that's all tile. They didn't have the quarter rounds and the tile in the entrance room, but I think they might have added it here just to give it a uniform look throughout the entire, for the rest of the living area, really. But you can see where they only did that along the far wall. They didn't do it on the cabinets, which would have been weird. That one little spot there. The cabinets themselves seem like they're in really, really nice condition. Poked our heads around there for a little bit. Nice glass ones up the top. Nice sink. A few other odds and ends. You can see inside of the dishwasher, we have a little bit of discoloration along the bottom. But it's an older unit. And gas. And look, we even have some baseboards behind the oven. Alright. One thing that is kind of cool is that in these two cabinets over here, we have top drawers that they've installed. So that's kind of nice. And the countertops, well, yeah, it's Formica. Look to be in pretty good condition. It's really not too bad. That's why I think that somebody had taken pretty good care of this home. You don't really have all the nicks and scratches and craziness that you'd see in some of the other ones, so it's kind of nice. So we have two electrical outlets on the far end, one in the corner by the window, and then we have two of them along the far wall with a few different options for where you want to put the coaxial cable for the TV. Utility room in the hallway in here, have laminate. Nice storage cabinets, plenty of space for a large washer and dryer. The master bedroom's a good size. Nice ceiling treatment. No ceiling fan, but we can see the light switch is set up such that they probably had one at one point. We have one electrical outlet on the far wall, one on the wall leading to the bathroom, and two on our far wall by the window. And yet another one over on our right. So coming into the kitchen, our vanities are real good size. I believe we measured that at 74 inches from wall to wall, not including the little 1/2 inch lip on either side. We have drawers on either side, and then we have the main area for underneath the sink. Interesting little mirror they have, and matching ceiling fan to the other. And it looks like we do have a skylight in the bathroom.